Hi guys and welcome back to RC Workshop. So today we have got another unboxing video for you guys. It's a short one, it's just something I'm really excited about. So as you know, if you've looked at any of my other videos on my channel, I'm into my RC racing. I race a 1/10 buggy and a micro, but been focusing more on the 1/10 buggy just lately. And one the new buggy. Everyone else is racing the nice new neat cool stuff and I want to race it as well. Seem to get better results out of it, so fingers crossed I will. So what is it? It's the Team Associated RC10 B6.1. This is a really nice piece of kit, guys. Like I say, they're doing really well at the track. Everyone seems to be using them, so I'm doing a bit of sheepy following the crowd. What I'll do is drop down in a sec, do an unboxing video for you guys, show you what's in the box. What I might do is on another video is perhaps a build video. Who knows? Let's see how that goes. But I'll see you in a sec. Right then guys, so just a little extra look at what you're going to get with this kit before we open it up and see what's in there. So we've got the easy access gear differential. I think it's 4 or 6 screws and you can literally take the top off to access the diff to change it out. You got 0, 1, 2 and 3 millimeter inserts for the diff as well, for the diff height. New slipper assembly. 3 gear laydown stealth transmission for lower forward centre of gravity. Go that low, that is real nice. Carbon fibre shock tower, carbon fibre rear, heavy duty rear axles with 67mm dog bones, V2 springs in the box, rear arm moulded inserts for ultra fine adjustments, a nice gear guard on there as well to protect the body and people who are going to turn your car over. And front and rear roll bars, limited chassis for increased corner speed. So that's just a few of the extras that you're going to get with this buggy. What we'll do is open it up, see what goes inside the box. Right then, here we go guys. Sorry about that, got the robot Vector over there, still messing around on the side. Still a good little robot. We're just waiting for the update for him now. We want to see him do something different, Anki. What else you got? Factory seal there. Factory seal there. Ooh, that new car smell. Everything's in bags and bits basically, guys. Everything's got to be built. So this looks like the shock bag. Nice aluminium bits in there. Coloured shafts for the shocks. Nice colour shock bodies. And the oils to go in the shocks as well. And the springs, of course. Links, bag of links. This is your drive shafts bag and your hubs. Shock towers and motor mounts and gearbox items and clutch items. More gears. Oh, that's your diff and diff oil. All these bags feel heavy. More little aluminium bits and screws in there. What we got in this one? Oh, that is the chassis weight. And another shock tower. And the side rails for the chassis. And more screws and aluminium bits. Steering, by the looks of it. Yep. Arms. Spur cover, bearing kit, one really nice body. Guys, not sure what colour to go? Drop your comment in the bottom if you think of a good colour combo. I'm thinking lime green and super bright high vis yellow. Let me know what you think. And the chassis plate, nice solid chassis plate. The rubbers for the bottom of the chassis plate for the to stop your battery rubbing, and your battery retaining clip. And last but not least, I think, yeah, last but not least, instructions. It looks nice and simple. What else we got? Diffs, gearboxes. You can't get that wrong, guys. There's plenty of information there for you. Absolutely everything you need to know. Right then guys, what I'll do is start building this puppy. What I might do is put some build video together. If it looks good, I'll drop it on YouTube for you guys to see. So yeah, please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.